So welcome all of you. Yesterday we have done some basic hit points where exactly we stuck in probability, right? So those who are well aware of probability now go through that last video that I have uploaded on YouTube. Okay. And now today we will practice some more questions. Okay, on probability where we will realize better, right? If we do practice, then we will realize the topic better, right? So all of you have copy, right? In your hand and pen.
Yes.
Abhishek, show me. Dikhao. All of you take out your copy and you turn on your camera if your camera is working. A little bit of noise. All of you take out your copies. ठीक है ना? Without copy कोई नहीं है ना? Kamran, take out your copy. It is not like कि हम session attend कर रहे हैं like ऐसे ही नहीं. It's not good. ठीक है ना? I will come and fight at your place. ठीक है ना? Chaya, all of you have your copy, right? Devanshi, all you have copy. Akshat,
Yes.
I should start ना? हाँ, कोई भी ऐसे time pass नहीं करेगा, ठीक है ना? Okay, let us start. So, my first question was, is what is the range of probability? What is the range of probability? Probability. Okay.
0 to 1.
0
0
to
to
0
1.
to 1.
0 to 1.
If someone is writing like between 0 to 1, so it is correct or not?
Not correct.
Wrong it is. Between 0 to 1, it means you have to leave 0. It means 0.1 like that. And you have to leave also. Between means in between 0 to 1, like maximum will be 0.99. So it is not correct. Probability value minimum is 0. Maximum value of probability is
1.
1. So can anyone give me example where the probability will be 1?
Sun rises from the east.
Sure event.
Sure
Okay,
event,
so-
okay. Sun rises in the east. Any other example? Think. So many
Coin
guys.
flip करेंगे तो head और tail ही आएगा बस. Head या
हाँ,
tail ही
is
आएगा.
okay. I want more answers. Like इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, right? So all of you should participate, ना? Just
Sir,
you have
a dice is thrown.
a dice.
Is thrown.
A dice thrown, then
Any
probability
numbers
1 कैसे? That is my question. आप ऐसा event बताओ that probability is 1.
Sir, probability of less than 6 when rolling a dice. Less than 7 while rolling a dice.
Okay. So Mansi told a thing. See the question. I'm taking it. Like, I'm giving time. On. What probability of getting a number less than 7 when a dice is thrown? When a dice is thrown, right? Is thrown. So if I
Yes.
throw a dice, what will the possible outcomes? That is sample space.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hana, when I throw a dice, all of you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 can come. So number of sample space that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Just a second. Hello, Kriti. Yeah. So where I was, so number of sample space is 6. Now, what is the event that a number should come which is less than 7, right? Now, so what are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All numbers are less than 7 only, na? So
Less than 7.
Less than 7. So NE is equal to 6, NS equal to 6. Probability of an event equal to NE by NS. You know, अगर last days में ना teachers आपके advice करेंगे. If you don't know anything about probability in your exam, write P equal to NE by NS. A teacher will tell this thing to those students ना, who get fail always, right? कि कुछ नहीं आता ना, formula लिख के आ जाना. that board will give you at least half number, one number, like that. At least they should pass, right? So probability of an event equal to any by ns. I'm not referring you. I'm just giving just kidding thing I was doing. So any is 6, Hana, because all the numbers are less than 7 only, and there are 6 numbers divided by sample space is also 6. So 6 by 6 is 1. This type of event is called
Sure event.
is called sure event.
Sure event.
Sure event. If in your question, what is the probability of a sure event? So it will be
1.
1.
1.
Give me an example where the probability is 0.
Getting 8 on dice.
Getting 8 on dice. Getting 8 on dice means if I throw a dice, मैंने एक dice throw किया and it comes 8, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना? So if you throw a dice, what is the number of sample space is 6? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if I talk about any, how many numbers है ना that come
0.
8 on dice? 8 तो होता ही
0.
नहीं है. So any is 0. So probability of an event equal to 0 by 6. This
6.
event is called
Impossible.
Impossible event.
Possible event.
here. When the probability of an event is 0, it will be called
Impossible event.
Possible event.
impossible
Impossible
event. Right? So if someone told you na कि बताओ तो क्या like बता what will be the probability, है ना? What is the संभावना that if I toss a coin and 1 will come. See what I'm telling. I toss a coin. So now if you toss a coin, what will come? Head or tail?
Heads or tails.
Head or
Head or
tail.
tail. How come 1 or 2 can come? Right now. So it's 0 only.
Possible event.
Impossible it is. The word itself, impossible it is, right? And if I toss a coin, what is the probability that I will get head or tail?
1.
1.
Head or tail?
50-50%.
50-50.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Per half.
Half.
1.
1. Now put all of you put answer in chat. Many you will not told na. Put the chat, put it, that is in the chat box. What is 1 or 1 by 2? If I throw, the question is if I throw what was the question? I forget. The
Coin.
question is
That's your point.
if I toss a coin, what is the probability of getting head or tail? Okay, very easy question. Okay, let me see. Let us all of you see the chats, and all of you should put also in the chat, right? 0, 1 by 2. Give me option. Let me give option. 0, 1 by 2, 1, or 1 by 3. Okay, so question is I toss a coin. What is the probability of getting head or tail? Let me see the where is the chat box? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Shruti 1, 1. All of you together na? Some mil gaye hai, sab koi maximum jo type word. Okay, 1, 1 is also there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Arjun, why you are laughing? Okay, is Jane 1. Okay, so now come to the point. 1 by 2 and 1 is the maximum probability, right? So what is the answer?
1.
1 by 2.
Yes.
1.
All of you, there must be some two teams, है ना? दो टीम बनाते हैं. एक साइड जो आंसर 1 by 2 बोले and one side those who tell 1 or start fighting. Answer is
Yes, sir.
1. Answer is 1. अभी समझना होगा why, right? You have to understand, right? ना? Why it is 1, है ना? So let us understand. If I toss a coin, be very relaxed. That's not a big deal. Okay. If I toss a coin, head, otherwise tail will come, right? So sample is the probability of the event. The total outcome is 2, head or tail. So in denominator, it will be 2. But what will be in numerator? That is the question. Because the question is telling you
Head
Head.
or tail.
or tail.
Or.
Means it is the option. If you get the head, you will be happy. I win. If you will not get head,
Anyone.
definitely you will get tail. And it is or. So tail will also work. Or मतलब क्या होता है? Or is an option. If you get head, you are happy. If you get tail, then you are also happy. Means both, if either of them will come, you will be happy. Right now. the thing is they
Yes,
are
sir.
giving option. आपको head मिल जाए या tail मिल जाए, right ना? So any is 1 or 2. It is 2. Those who have told the answer 1 by 2 ना, let me know किसको समझ में नहीं है. Those who not understand, let me know. Be very frank and tell me. अब stuck कर कहाँ रहे हो, हमको समझ में आएगा. Manjusha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Shruti, Mumang, it is okay. Or is like option. आपको head मिल जाए तब भी happy and tail मिल जाए then only you are also happy, right? And if I ask you at this very point, if I ask you head, if I toss a coin, what is the probability of getting head and tail?
0.
0, 1 by 2, 1,
0.
not possible.
0.
So 0.
0.
0, 1 by
Not possible.
head and tail.
0.
0. Not possible.
If
Sir,
the
zero.
question is telling you head and tail, head भी दिखना चाहिए, tail भी दिखना चाहिए. That is
Both at a
not
time,
like
it not
movie. Which
possible.
movie it is? Sholay, you know. जब अमिताभ बच्चन twice है ना tossing a coin,
Yes.
right? ऐसे तो रहेगा नहीं. So it will be head and tail. It is not possible. Both can't come. It's 0. Impossible event it is. Impossible event it is. हो ही नहीं सकता, right? Okay. So come to the next point. All of you have seen 12. How many cards were there? Like club. Then we have
Club,
Club,
Heart,
spade, heart, diamond.
heart.
spade, heart.
How many of you know playing these cards?
No, sir.
Don't know, sir.
Manu no, and then Manu
No,
no.
sir.
Then
हम नहीं करते.
किसको
गंदे काम
किसको
है.
आता है, you know?
No, sir.
Okay. You know, many used
ये
to
गंदे
play
काम नहीं
when they are in long journey in trains ना, they used to play this thing. Time का पता ही नहीं
But
चलता.
time passing.
Time pass. हाँ, Manu. Okay, fine. So heart, diamond, club, and what was that?
Spade.
Spades.
Spade. Spade. So heart is like this shape. Diamond is like this shape. Then we have spade and diamond. Na? Club is like that.
Spade.
Na? Club like that, right? Na? कुछ ऐसा होता है. And spade?
Reverse heart shapes.
I forget. Just a second.
No,
Just a
sir.
second.
Like a leaf.
Like a leaf, right?
Just make it opposite, sir. Upside down. Upside down.
This is okay.
Yes, sir.
Reverse
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now, Akriti, you have joined or not? Kriti, you have joined or not? Kriti, you have joined or not? Arjun. Abhishek. Now, next, I will ask questions. Ready? So we have king, then we have queen, then we have Mr.
Jack.
Jack, right?
Jack.
Jack is the most smart minister, right? Then we have
Ace.
2 to 9 numbers.
what is written on ace?
Sir,
एक
A.
बड़ा सा पत्ता होता है.
बड़ा सा पत्ता होता है.
पता
A.
नहीं मेरे को.
A, right? A is written. A is written on that, right? Na A. And then we have number from
2 to 9.
2 to 9.
2 to 10.
2 to 10.
Including
Sir,
A.
ace 2 to 9.
So there are how many cards of club? There are total 13 cards here. 1, 2,
13.
3, 4. From 2 to 9 we have how many cards?
अरे
From
10 भी तो होता है ना.
10.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
King,
sir.
queen, jack. Then we have
Yes, sir.
king, queen, jack.
Yes,
then we
sir.
have ace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then in the last we have 10 also. 10 also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
10
Yes,
also.
sir.
10 also, right? So total now it is 13 cards here, 13 cards here, 13 cards here, and 13 cards here, right? Should I ask question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When I
sir.
was in class, when I was in class 10th na, I was very like problematic. मेरे को तो खेलना आता ही नहीं है. How I will solve the question? I don't know to play. Okay, I don't know to play actually. So fine. So if someone is thinking कि हमको खेलना नहीं आता, I will not understand. Now first forget this thing. Okay, I am here only. I don't know to play actually still. Okay, fine. So now first question is, what is the probability of getting a number card? Question is, what is the probability of getting a number card, Hana, when you select a card randomly from the pack of 52 cards? Take your time. Take your time.
36 by 52.
40 by 52.
36 by 52.
36 by 52.
40 by 52.
40 by 52.
More answers? More
36 by
answers?
52.
More answers? Take your time. Take your time. Done?
So 5 by 7.
5 by 7. More answers?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Question is, if I select a card randomly from the pack of 52 cards, what is the probability of getting a number card? Number written card.
36 by 52.
36 by 52.
Sir,
Final
32
answer, all
by
of you? Question is very simple.
Sir.
From the 52 cards, what is the probability of getting a number card? मैंने एक card draw किया, it will be written some number, right? This is the
Sir,
question.
32 by 52.
32.
Yes, sir.
Arjun, 32. Any more answer? Now I should explain, right? So now all of you now focus. Tell. Any more answer?
Sir, and what the question what you are asking is, we have to tell the numbered cards. Probability of getting the numbered cards.
Number card, number written card. Some number will be written.
Okay, sir.
So probability of this will be total. There are 52 cards, right? The question is very easy actually. Be relaxed. Okay, be relaxed, right? So now if I talk about number card, so the number starts from 2, right? Now
2.
2 to 10. In each group you have 2 to 10. So count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How
9
many cards
cards.
are there in each group with the number?
9.
9.
From
9.
2 to 10. Be relaxed. You have number card starting from 2 and the last is 10. So 2, count on your hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each group has how many cards? How many number cards?
9.
9.
All of you okay? 2
Yes, sir.
up from 2 to 10 there are 9 cards. ठीक है ना? So each group has 9 cards. So 4 group will have
36 cards.
36.
36.
So answer is 36 by 52 only.
36
Now you
by
can
52.
cut down. That is the different thing that you can turn. That is 4 table, whatever it is. Okay. In simple,
9
it will
upon
be
13. money.
4 and it will be 9 by
13.
13. Fine now?
9 by
Easy
13.
है?
Yes, sir.
It is easy? Difficult है?
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Easier.
Fine. Ready for a question from your textbook. Question is, I need to write or all of you can hear? I should write actually. I should write. Question is, if the queen is drawn, if all of you just focus what I'm writing, because probability में आपको mind work करना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? If the question is from your textbook, if the queen is drawn, if the queen is drawn and put aside, comma, what is the probability? What is probability that the second picked up card, that the second card picked is is ace. All of you hear me what I'm trying to take? Hana, tell. There are total 52 cards. Now, if the queen is drawn and put aside, क्या किया गया? The queen is drawn and put aside. Queen को क्या किया?
queen or
निकाल
all
लिया और
queen?
put aside. What
Sir,
is the
एक queen
probability?
या सारी queen?
So
Arjun,
one
tell.
queen or all queen?
I'm
So
telling
one
you,
queen
my
or
words
one
will
queen,
tell
sir?
you. My words will tell you what I'm trying to say. I will not tell exactly कि कितने cards निकाले, ठीक है ना? Question is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, you take your hand, Hana, and what you have done? You have take out queen. What is the probability that the second card you will draw is an ace?
4
4
by
upon
51.
4 by 51.
So 4 by 51.
4 by 51.
How you think that it
4 by
is 4 by
51, sir.
51?
So because it said the
और
queen.
एक कार्ड
so
हटा देंगे तो टोटल कार्ड पर
52 cards, one card is removed.
एस
And
है
there are four
टोटल
aces.
4.
One by one, one by one.
So one queen is removed. So the total cards are 51 and there are 4 aces. So the probability will be 4 by 51.
Next answer. Try.
यही सर, एक क्वीन निकाली तो 51 टोटल कार्ड बचे और एसेस 4 है तो मतलब 4 by 51.
Total, we have 52 cards, right? And one card is removed. So it is telling you what is the probability that the second card drawn is ace. यानी एक card ही निकाले थे पर, right now? So I take some. There are total 4 queens. For suppose I remove this queen. So now at least from the 52, I am left with only 51 cards. And now the question is, what is the probability that if I draw the second card, then that card is an ace. So ace is already there, na? All are here only. There are total 4 cards which are ace. So answer will be 4 by 51.
by 51.
Now the same question in your textbook, it is asking the same question. If the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card is queen?
3 by 51.
3 by
3 by
51.
51.
Question क्या है?
3 by
Question
51.
is that first I am telling in Hindi. मैंने 52 cards में एक कार्ड निकाला, that is queen, and I removed that. है ना? उसको गया. We have only 3 queen. It means now we have 51 cards. Now, what is the probability that I again pick a card, which is, what is the probability that the second card I will draw is queen only?
3 by 51.
I
3 by
removed one
51.
card. Yeah, I removed one. Our answer is wrong. Safura, tell what you are trying to say. Tell me. So, one card I have removed. So now we are left with 51 cards. And now queen is only 3. So now the answer will be 3 by 51. Fine. Now, next question.
Yes,
All
sir.
of you ready? Should I give some different type of question? All of you will be ready.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Let us test. Okay. Let us test your knowledge. This length is 5. This length is 6. This length is 7. If it is 7, it should be like 14. Okay. This one is an area, right? Some aeroplane is going from here. ठीक है? Some aeroplane is going here or aeroplane में कोई accident हो गया. Right? Now, this one platform has to land in this area. That yellow region, you can see this now, 14 cross 5. Hana, aeroplane has to
Yes,
land in this area. Okay, this is this type of question is asked in, like you say, activity question, right? That different thinking level
Yes.
questions can also come, right? Now,
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm creating that only, right? See, Hana, if someone is thinking कि ऐसा नहीं आ सकता है, it can be created, right? So this one is the area where aeroplane has to land. Okay, all of you be focused. That is not actually to understand it. Okay, so now, Kriti, you are telling something. Kriti? So we have this area which is the where this has to be land here, right? Now, what is the probability that the landing will happen in this area? This area. What is the probability that it will land in only in this area? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ना?
सर सर्कल का
आ गया सर
एरिया
समझ।
स्क्वायर से ज्यादा आ रहा है, रेक्टेंगल से ज्यादा आ रहा है।
Minus pi r square
और
upon length.
सर्कल का एरिया रेक्टेंगल से ज्यादा
I
है।
should increase that. I'm taking my value. So I should
अब
take
भी
as
छोटा है।
40.
अभी छोटा है सर।
Let me take values. Now it is fine. The value is 28 and
Yes,
10.
sir.
Now what is the probability
Yes.
that the landing will be in this area only? How we can find?
First we have to
Sir,
find the
first
area
we
of
will
the circle
calculate the
divided by
area of circle and then the total square, and the probability will be area of circle by the total area of this rectangle.
So all of you now focus. What is probability? Probability शुरू से क्या चल रहा है? In the denominator, you are writing all the possible outcomes, right? And for this, the aeroplane, which is going to land in this area, na 28 cross 18, this is the whole place where land is an accident. So means that aeroplane is under accident. So it will land in this area, right? It has to land in this area. So the sample spaces is this area, that denominator thing. Area
So
of the
what is the
rectangle.
length of the rectangle? What is the length of the rectangle?
28. I written 28 and 10, length and breadth.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And now what my condition is? The condition is that the accident, what is the probability that the accident car, what I can say, aeroplane will land in that circle area. So that is the event. When I toss a coin, head aayega. What is the probability that if suppose if I throw a dice and like, what is the possibility that 3 will come? Hana? So 3 is only one time. So
1
here
by 6.
where the event is this only, this area. Yahi area hai, right na? So it will be a circle. Humko yahi land karna hai. So I have this landing area is actually, this landing portion is area. So I will know. So that's why I'm writing area. So now area of circle is what? Pi r square. So it is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 square.
154 आएगा।
Whatever it will be answer. My concept is like the same thing. Any by ns can be like an application. You know that when you have studied trigonometry, then you have studied height and distance, right now. So application based question
Yes,
can
sir.
come like that. ऐसा आ सकता है? All of you can understand now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in your textbook, this question is there. Have
Yes,
you got
sir.
have you realized this thing?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking from textbook only. Right.
Yes.
Now, I think we are very close to sessions, right? Write the code of today. That code is my number only 89677170779. Okay. With your name, you have to send on this number. Okay. I will add into a group. Okay. This number this is the actually number which you have to send me your name as your code to this number. Okay. 89677170779. Fine, guys, join your sessions. Okay. Keep studying and be motivated. है ना? And study as much as you can in your home. ठीक है? हाँ, you are telling something?
आज कोई क्लास नहीं है।
आज कोई क्लास नहीं है. Who
No,
told
sir,
you?
there is
Sir,
an
today is
extra class
Saturday.
बस आज सैटरडे
Saturday.
for chemistry.
Sir, Saturday.
Okay.
Which class is?
It's fine. It's fine. So go and study now. Or you can just. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
was like, fine.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
I was totally like, class hai. So I was class or like Anjali, the code is like the number, my personal number that you have to send me on your name. You have to send me on this number. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. So keep studying and be motivated. ठीक है ना? You have 1.5 months. So चक दे फट्टे ऐसे कुछ करके एकदम है ना, सॉन्ग बजाना है तो ऐसे कुछ बजा करके एकदम प्ले है ना, स्टडी एकदम जम करके. ठीक है. Fine guys, है ना?
Thanks.
Bye.
Sir.
Isita, that you
Bye,
have to
sir.
send me. Bye guys. Bye.